This is going to blow your mind. Imagine a computer program that can learn like a human brain. It can recognize faces, understand speech, and even drive cars. This is not just a dream or a distant future. It's happening right now. The technology behind this incredible capability is known as deep learning, a subset of artificial intelligence that has taken the world by storm. This isn't science fiction, it's the power of deep learning. Deep learning algorithms are designed to learn from vast amounts of data, improving their performance over time. They can analyze patterns, make predictions, and even generate new content. The applications of deep learning are virtually limitless, and its impact is being felt across various sectors. Deep learning is a type of artificial intelligence that's changing the world around us. From healthcare to entertainment, from finance to transportation, deep learning is making its mark. It's enabling machines to perform tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. The technology is evolving rapidly, and its potential is only beginning to be realized. It's based on the idea of creating artificial neural networks that mimic the way our brains work. These networks are designed to process information in a way that's similar to the human brain, allowing them to learn and adapt. The concept of neural networks has been around for decades, but recent advancements in computing power and data availability have brought it to the forefront of AI research. These networks are made up of layers of interconnected neurons, just like the billions of neurons in our heads. Each layer processes information and passes it on to the next, allowing the network to learn complex patterns and make sophisticated decisions. The more layers a network has, the more capable it becomes, leading to the term deep learning. Each connection between neurons has a weight which determines how strongly one neuron influences another. These weights are adjusted during the training process, allowing the network to learn from its mistakes and improve its performance. The training process involves feeding the network large amounts of data and using algorithms to fine-tune the weights, resulting in a highly accurate model. By adjusting these weights, deep learning algorithms can learn to perform complex tasks. They can recognize objects in images, understand natural language, and even play games at a superhuman level. The possibilities are endless, and researchers are constantly finding new ways to apply deep learning to solve real-world problems. Deep learning is already powering many of the technologies we use every day, from voice assistants to online shopping recommendations. These systems rely on deep learning algorithms to understand our preferences and provide personalized experiences. They can answer our questions, recommend products, and even predict our needs before we know them ourselves. But its potential goes far beyond these familiar applications. Deep learning is being used to tackle some of the most challenging problems in science and engineering. It's helping researchers understand complex biological systems, develop new materials, and even explore the mysteries of the universe. The technology is opening up new frontiers and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Deep learning is poised to revolutionize healthcare, transportation, finance, and countless other industries. In healthcare, it's being used to diagnose diseases, develop personalized treatments, and even predict patient outcomes. In transportation, it's enabling self-driving cars and optimizing traffic flow. In finance, it's helping to detect fraud, manage risk, and make investment decisions. The impact of deep learning is being felt across the board, and its potential is only beginning to be tapped. It's a field that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible with artificial intelligence. Researchers are constantly exploring new techniques and applications, and the pace of innovation is accelerating. The future of deep learning is bright, and its potential to transform our world is immense. As we continue to unlock the power of this technology, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking advancements in the years to come. At the heart of deep learning lies the concept of neural networks. These networks are inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. Just as our brains learn from experience, neural networks are trained on massive amounts of data. Imagine teaching a child to recognize a cat. You might show them pictures of cats, pointing out their distinctive features, sharp ears, a fluffy tail, and piercing eyes. Similarly, a deep learning algorithm learns to recognize patterns and features in data. The more data it's fed, the more accurate it becomes. This learning process is what sets deep learning apart from traditional programming. Instead of being explicitly programmed with rules, deep learning models learn these rules directly from the data itself. Deep learning models are often described as deep because of their layered architecture. These layers act like a hierarchy of knowledge, with each layer extracting increasingly complex features from the data. Think of it like building a house. The foundation represents the raw data. Each subsequent layer, like the walls, roof, and windows, adds another level of complexity and abstraction. The first layer might detect simple edges and lines. The next layer might combine these edges into shapes. Higher layers might recognize patterns of shapes, and eventually the network can identify entire objects or concepts. This layered approach allows deep learning models to tackle intricate problems that were once considered too complex for computers to solve. Section 4. Deep learning in our world. Deep learning is no longer a futuristic concept. It's already woven into the fabric of our daily lives. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, we interact with deep learning systems in countless ways. When you unlock your phone using facial recognition, deep learning is at work. When you ask your smart speaker to play your favorite song, deep learning is listening. When you receive personalized recommendations on your favorite streaming platform, deep learning is shaping your choices. These are just a few examples of how deep learning is transforming our world. Its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and make intelligent predictions has opened up a universe of possibilities, from personalized medicine to self-driving cars. Section 5. The machine's voice, the car's eyes. Deep learning is revolutionizing the way machines perceive and interact with the world around them. This technology, which mimics the human brain's neural networks, allows machines to learn from vast amounts of data, improving their performance over time. One of the most striking examples is in the field of computer vision. This branch of artificial intelligence enables machines to interpret and understand visual information from the world, much like humans do. Thanks to deep learning, computers can now see and interpret images with remarkable accuracy. They can identify objects, recognize faces, and even understand complex scenes, making them incredibly useful in various applications. This breakthrough has led to the development of self-driving cars, which rely on deep learning algorithms to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and make split-second decisions. These vehicles are equipped with an array of sensors and cameras that feed data into the AI system, allowing it to make informed decisions in real time. Imagine a world where cars can drive themselves, reducing accidents and traffic congestion. Autonomous vehicles have the potential to transform our cities, making transportation safer and more efficient. They can communicate with each other to optimize traffic flow, reduce emissions, and provide mobility solutions for those unable to drive. Deep learning is also transforming the way we communicate with machines. Natural language processing, another branch of AI, enables machines to understand and respond to human language in a way that feels natural and intuitive. Speech recognition systems powered by deep learning can now understand human speech with near human accuracy. These systems analyze the sound waves of our speech, converting them into text that the machine can understand and respond to. This has paved the way for voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, which have become indispensable tools for millions of people around the world. These assistants can perform a wide range of tasks, from setting reminders and playing music to controlling smart home devices and providing information on demand. The integration of voice assistants into our daily lives has made technology more accessible and user-friendly. They have the ability to learn from our preferences and habits, providing personalized experiences that enhance our productivity and convenience. As deep learning continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications that will further blur the lines between humans and machines. The future holds endless possibilities, from advanced healthcare diagnostics to intelligent personal assistants that can anticipate our needs. The journey of deep learning is just beginning, and its impact on our world is profound. As we continue to push the boundaries of what machines can do, we are not just creating smarter technology, but also shaping a future where humans and machines work together in harmony. Section 6. Learning from data, a new dawn. The rise of deep learning is intricately linked to the explosion of data in the digital age. This era, often referred to as the information age, has seen an unprecedented surge in the amount of data generated every second. We live in a world awash in data, from social media posts and online transactions to sensor readings and scientific measurements. Every click, every swipe, every digital interaction contributes to this vast ocean of information. This data is the fuel that powers deep learning algorithms. These algorithms, designed to mimic the human brain, thrive on large datasets, learning patterns and making predictions with remarkable accuracy. The more data these algorithms are fed, the more they learn. It's a virtuous cycle. The more they learn, the better they become at making sense of new data. And the more accurate they become. This continuous improvement is what makes deep learning so powerful and transformative. This insatiable appetite for data is one of the key reasons why deep learning has flourished in recent years. The sheer volume of data available today is staggering, and it shows no signs of slowing down. With the advent of big data and cloud computing, we now have access to unprecedented amounts of data. These technologies have revolutionized the way we store, process, and analyze information, enabling us to train deep learning models on a scale never before imagined. Researchers can now tackle problems that were once thought to be unsolvable thanks to the vast amounts of data at their disposal. This data-driven revolution is transforming industries and reshaping our world. From healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment, the impact of deep learning is being felt across the globe. As we continue to generate more data, the potential for deep learning to drive innovation and solve complex problems will only grow. In healthcare, deep learning algorithms are being used to diagnose diseases with unprecedented accuracy, analyze medical images, and even predict patient outcomes. In finance, they are helping to detect fraudulent transactions and make more informed investment decisions. In transportation, autonomous vehicles are becoming a reality thanks to the ability of deep learning models to process vast amounts of sensor data in real time. In our homes, smart devices are learning our preferences and making our lives more convenient. The possibilities are endless, and the journey has just begun. As we stand on the brink of this new dawn, the future of deep learning and its potential to transform our world is both exciting and limitless.